Hello everyone, welcome to jazztime.com. Jazztime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. And we greatly appreciate if you buy a watch from us once in a while. Today, we'll be talking about the PAM1616 Carbotech by Panerai. It has a 47mm diameter from thumb to forefinger. The case is made of Carbotech, Panerai's own crown protecting device, and unidirectional bezel for superior lightness and resistance. Carbotech has an uneven matte black appearance and varies according to the cut of the material, so each timepiece is unique in its own right. As you can see, with this specific one, there are concentric circles emanating from the 3 o'clock position all the way across to the 9 o'clock position. Looks very pleasing, and this pattern is unique specifically to this timepiece only. The bezel rotates counterclockwise with graduations for precision, with the minutes labeled for ease of use. The dial is black with luminous hour markers and dots to ensure easy reading in low light situations. For example, I'll shut off the lights here, and you can see that the hour markers light up along with the hands for precise reading and timekeeping at night. The date is located at the 3 o'clock position, while a subdial at the 9 o'clock position ensures precise timekeeping. The case is water resistant to about 300 meters, and the strap is a caoutchouc black with stitching. Panerai's own logo is also located right here on the strap. Now the movement is automatic mechanical P9010 caliper executed by Panerai. 13 3/4 lines, 6mm thick with 31 jewels, glucidator balance with 28,800 alternations per hour. It maintains time precisely when in rough situations, and it also contains an Inca block anti-shock to do this. The power reserve is about 3 days, with 2 barrels leading to a total of 200 components within. Now, you're probably asking, how do you set the time on this with this protector on the crown? Simply lower the latch at the top, which frees up the crown to be pulled out. Simply turning the crown winds the watch, while you can pull out to the first position to change the hour hand, and by extension, the date as well. If I move it forward, again, I know that it is in the morning hours right now, so I can set it back to 10 a.m. Pulling it out to the next position stops the second hand, and also allows you to change the minute hand for precise timekeeping. And you don't need to push the crown back in directly, just simply close the latch, and you're good to go. Notice that the second hand has begun moving again. What are your thoughts on this watch? Actually, let me try this on real quick. Now keep in mind that this is a Velcro strap, so it can be opened completely, and placing on my wrist here. Fits rather well. Now this is a 47mm diameter case, so it is a bit large on my wrist, but that is to ensure that it will stay water resistant to 300 meters. And if you are going out for a bold look, look no further. What are your thoughts on this watch? Would you buy one? Let us know down in the comments below. Be sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.